ice cream store is open.
He has to dance in the sun.
Yeah, I see that. Okay, what kind of ice cream do you guys have today?
Why are you taking a picture?
Because I think it'll be fun to look at later. What kind of ice cream do you have?
Chocolate mint cake, chocolate chip, peanut butter.
You have peanut butter. Oh, good. That's my favorite kind.
Kale and moo a little bit. And New York fudge chunk.
Oh, that's whose favorite kind is that?
Nana.
That's right.
Okay.
Can I have one peanut butter flavor and one cat food for my cat?
Okay. What you wanted a cone or a cup?
A cone.
Okay.
Thanks. It's taking a long time.
I gave you a cup.
How much does it cost?
92.
$2?
Yeah. $50.
$50. You guys-
$90.
$90. Oh no.